if she was able to come here last week, she should be able to go here tomorrow. In fact, nagpunta siya, nagulat ako nung dumating ang Vice President. Sabi ko, oh, I think she's in the wrong hearing. And then it turns out she was there para bantayan yung kanyang father kasi nga daw hindi sumusunod sa mga kasama. And that was very kind of her. So, you know, if she was able to arrive last week, we expect her to come tomorrow. Even though she said na hindi siya darating, we hope she'll arrive tomorrow. And so that she can answer the very pertinent questions. Kasi if she doesn't arrive, and then kahit may sworn affidavit siya, she loses her chance na mas mabigyang linaw yung mga issue na ito. Kung meron naman siyang, kung kaya naman niyang ipagtanggol ang sarili niya, she should come.
Sabi niya, magsasubmit na lang daw po siya ng sworn affidavit. But kami po, syempre, hopeful pa rin na makarating siya. Dahil tingin namin, yung sworn affidavit is not enough. So, paano po namin maitatanong sa kanya yung mga... Marami po kasi mga katanungan ang mga kasama po natin sa committee na gusto rin po naming malinawan.